Are slow internet speeds, disconnections, and weak signals slowing down your business? Today, we're talking about the most common Wi-Fi issues businesses face, and how to fix them. Slow internet speeds. This can be caused by bandwidth congestion, outdated equipment, or interference from other devices. To resolve this, consider upgrading your router, prioritizing bandwidth for important tasks, and limiting the number of connected devices. Frequent disconnections? That's a sign of network instability or outdated firmware. The solution? Regularly update your router's firmware, invest in high-quality hardware, and ensure your network is set up for stability. Are there areas in your office with weak or no Wi-Fi? This is likely due to physical obstructions or poor router placement. Fix this by installing Wi-Fi extenders, using a mesh network, or repositioning your router for better coverage. Interference from nearby devices can also disrupt your connection, especially from microwaves or cordless phones. To solve this, switch to less crowded Wi-Fi channels or upgrade to dual-band routers. Overloading your network with too many devices is another common issue. To improve performance, increase your bandwidth, implement traffic management, or upgrade your router to handle more devices. Is your network secure? Weak passwords or outdated encryption can make your network vulnerable to attacks. Use strong encryption, set up firewalls, and regularly update your security protocols. Improper router configuration can reduce performance and open up security risks. Ensure your router is professionally configured and consider segmenting your network into business and guest access. Outdated equipment may not be able to handle modern demands, leading to frequent failures and slow speeds. Replace outdated routers, switches, and access points with newer, high-performance models. Is your network struggling to keep up with your business growth? Poor scalability can lead to bottlenecks. Invest in scalable network solutions that grow with your business, ensuring smooth operation as you expand. Allowing guests to access your main network can consume bandwidth and pose security risks. Set up a separate, secure guest network with limited access and bandwidth controls to avoid interference. By addressing these common Wi-Fi issues, you can keep your business connected, productive, and secure. Need help optimizing your business network? Contact us today.